In Italy, nearly 800 people.
Sometimes not in line for groceries, but
characterized as a pandemic.
Day 7 in the house, and the time is not passing. A single minute feels like hours, but the clock is standing still. Silence everywhere. Nothing is moving. The streets are abandoned. Nothing to do, nowhere to go. How long this is going to be like this? No one knows. I'm feeling empty, bored, and alone. Worrying news are running through my phone. Friends from everywhere in the world are messaging, sharing the news. Only a few days ago, everything was normal. A few weeks ago, I was wild and free. We needed a vacation. We decided to go on travel again, only us and Sri Lanka. We discovered the ancient ruins of the old capital of the island. Historical temples, holy spiritual sites, and astonishing caves were waiting for us. Never seen something like this before. We emerged into the wild Sri Lankan natures. Over bumpy roads and narrow paths, we drove into the thick forests and open plains, on the search for the rich wildlife of the island. And then we found them, those gentle giants. But the best part of a hill station? Of course the hikes and the incredible views. And not to mention all these breathtaking waterfalls with the crystal clear water. Coconut trees, blue water, golden sand. We truly found a paradise. Above and also below the surface. Diving into the sea and swimming with the majestic turtles. An experience that we will forever keep in our heart. But the next highlight just waited right around the corner. An old train line from the time of the English colonists took us into the mountains and the mystical clouds of the Sri Lankan highlands. Everywhere we looked, endless fields of smaragd green tea gardens stretched along the steep hills and mighty mountains in the heart of the island. Memories that keep us alive during these uncertain times. Memories of when we were wild and free, laughing, exploring, discovering and living. Traveling had become so normal, so natural. The next kick was just one click away. We only start to appreciate something when it's taken away from us. The freedom, the lightness, the possibility to go just whenever and wherever we want to go, at any time. We don't know what the future brings now, but let's go through this time with an open heart and the confidence that things will get better soon. And always keeping in mind what a precious and fragile gift of freedom and this beautiful world we are living in actually is.